guys, so let's withdraw from this website together. I just recently introduced this website to those of you who are on my WhatsApp group, and this is a live withdrawal video. So I've not withdrawn before, so I want to withdraw for the first time. So let's do this together. You can see I have my withdrawal balance of 6,550 naira, and we're going to be withdrawing live. Let's see. I think we should click on where we have withdraw. Okay, so that the network is misbehaving. All right. So it says available balance. You know my available balance funds, automatic withdrawal. The current minimum withdrawal for premium is 200 naira and basic is 600 naira. Okay, so I'm running a premium package, and it said premium and basic withdrawals takes 10 minutes, and they're going to be charging a 15% fee. So this is the minimum withdrawal. I have 6,550 naira. So let's withdraw the 6,550, and let's let the bank think I will use to use OPay. If there's OPay here, if there's PAMPay here, let's check. Okay, I don't think they have those options here. Remember, we're doing this live. Okay, all right. So since I have a first bank, let's use First Bank of Nigeria. I have a first bank account. 202476 911. So this is my bank account. I'm going to click on withdraw. Okay, it says thanks for requesting to withdraw money. Your request will be processed soon. Okay, so I'm using a premium package already. Why are they telling me to upgrade to premium? So let's wait, guys. Once I receive the alert, I'll just attach it to the video. So if you are just coming across the site for the first time and you would like to join, please click the first link below and join the website. It pays you for performing simple micro tasks online, and then the minimum withdrawal is 200 naira. So if you want to get more information about this platform, just join my WhatsApp group. It will be below the description of this video and in the comment section. Okay, so that's basically it. Let's wait for our withdrawal to land so you can see it for yourself. A lot of you love seeing my own withdrawal proof. So let's see. When it lands, I'll attach it to this video. Just imagine, guys, I just received the credit alert. So the alert came in less than 1 minute. Immediately I paused that former video, the alert just came in on my other device. As you can see, the payment remark says encrypt automatic withdrawal for, and then you have the, what's it called, the credit alert there. They've taken their 15% charge off my 6,550 that I withdrew, and then my money has been credited to my account. Rush now to the website and register, perform simple micro tasks, refer your friends to join as well, and enjoy this platform before it stops paying. Okay, like I said, start with the link below the description of this video and the comment section. Okay, enjoy, and if you have questions, please leave it below the comment section. It's very important that you drop your questions so I can attend to it on YouTube, not on WhatsApp. Okay, thank you for watching.